Warmer weather means home renovation season is getting underway, and with it comes some home improvement scams as well. But a Guelph tech startup is behind a platform that's building trust during the home reno process.
Hi there, my name's Jon, and this is Bidmii's origin story. I'd spent the majority of my career in the restaurant business, with a focus on restaurant development, building hundreds of restaurants all over the world. When the pandemic hit, financing for new restaurants pretty much disappeared, and I needed to figure out what I wanted to do next. I was having beers in my driveway with my brother and a good friend of ours, our now CTO Philip, who was a cloud architect. We put our heads together and we said, why don't we take all of this domain knowledge that helps restaurants scale so quickly and bring it to homeowners, empower them to do their own renovations in a way that's totally scalable. A staggering 32% of homeowners in Ontario admit to being the victims of renovation scams, and across Canada, more than 8% of renovations end with a stolen deposit. Enter Bidmii. With project funds held in trust, Bidmii is the safest way to get things done. Homeowners can easily find, hire, and pay contractors, and contractors can simply grow and manage their business. Here's how it works. You as the homeowner describe the project you want to get done. Take the famous before photo to create a project. A contractor can either request a site visit, ask a question, or place a bid on the job right away. You receive multiple fixed-priced bids from multiple contractors. When you award the project, you place your funds in trust. We hold those project funds in trust until the contractor completes the project and takes the famous after photo. Once you've approved the project, the money hits the contractor's bank account within 48 hours. The Bidmii you know and love today isn't exactly what it was initially meant to be. Through failures, pivots, and insights from our users, we've been able to mold and shape this platform into something that uniquely meets the needs of both of our user bases. We're proud of how far we've come and excited for what the future holds. Create an account and see how easy it is to take the hassle out of home improvements. Bidmii, making home renovations safe, simple, and scalable.